Today, we're breaking down a new AI workflow that pairs a specialist designer with a specialist coder.
Now, that's a pretty bold claim, right? Let's see just how true it's become.
You know how building an app used to be a super complex, manual, and often slow process?
But what if you could just automate the hardest parts by using two specialized AI together?
Okay, let's meet the first tool in the duo. This is Stitch, your new AI visual architect.
Stitch is a free tool from Google Labs that creates absolutely stunning app visuals from simple prompts.
It can take anything, text, a quick sketch, and just spit out ready-to-use front-end code.
And yeah, it can be this simple, a basic wireframe, even a photo of a napkin sketch. And from that, Stitch gives you a pro-level, totally interactive user interface. It's pretty wild.
So, you've got the perfect design. Now let's actually make it work with our AI code engineer.
Meet Claude Code. It's an AI agent that lives right in your terminal, ready to build all the logic. You're probably thinking, why two different AIs? Well, it's all about using the best tool for the job. Think of it like this. Stitch is the visual expert. Claude Code is the engineering expert. Separating them gets you the best results.
And this is where the magic happens, seeing how these two specialists actually work together.
The workflow is super straightforward. Design in Stitch, copy the code, and just paste it into Claude to add the brains. So first, Stitch absolutely nails the what it looks like part, giving you that pixel-perfect foundation. Then, you hand that blueprint to Claude Code, and it builds the how it works part, the engine.
So what does this all mean for you? Well, it's basically a new superpower for any creator.
You can now build things way faster and with higher quality than ever, even as a solo developer.
The takeaway here is that this is a huge shift in how apps get made. It's a whole new standard.
With a workflow this fast and this powerful, it really makes you think, what are you going to build first?